Changing your Gmail password is that easy. Want to learn how to do it? Well, I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So to change the password of your Gmail, all you have to do is go to the settings of your phone and then scroll down until you get this Google option here. Tap on it. Now tap on manage your Google account. And then swipe from right to left until you get into the security option. Now scroll down and reach to the password section. So before we change our password, we need to enter our old password to continue so that they can verify that it's us. So tap on enter your password and enter your password, the old one. As you do this, tap on next option on the bottom right corner. So here, given a sign to create your own new password. Make sure to use at least 8 characters and don't use a password from another site. So choose a very strong password. As you finish entering your new password and then confirming your new password once again, tap on change password on the bottom right corner. So here you can see that you'll stay signed in on this device. After the device, you are now on Redmi 7. That's my phone, that's an Android. Now tap on change password if you agree with all of these things. So alright, your password has been changed successfully, and then this keeps our account protected. Now tap on get started to get started, and then they will check all of your security. So this is how it's done. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.